Hi friends, in this video we will guide you how to record the receipts from the customer. Say in our previous video we guided you how to create the invoice. Say in the future if you are receiving the payment from your customer against this invoice, so how you will record this receipt from the customer. So here students, again you have to go to the voucher, uh, all the accounting entries, different accounting entries which we do in the Tally ERP9. Always we have to go to accounting voucher. So once we move to accounting voucher, here we have the list of voucher. Here for the payment received from the customer, I have to select the receipt. We should have the bank account already created. It depends in which mode you are receiving the payment. Either you are receiving the cash payment or you are receiving in the bank directly. So based on that one, you can select the cash, which you will later on deposit into your bank account, or you can select the bank as well, as I already created the bank. Correct. So here I will select from which customer I am receiving the money. Say I am receiving the money from this customer. They have a balance of 2,100. Say total we are receiving. One thing here, students, here it will ask you against which reference. Against reference mean he is asking you against which invoice you are receiving the payment. So it's very helpful for you if you are updating the invoice voice, and here you will select the invoice against which you will receive the payment. One important point I want to add here, sometime when you are working, you will not find this option. He will not ask you against which invoice you are receiving the payment. So there is a problem with this account creation. Let me guide you. This control enter shortcut key. Here you have to select the option maintain balances bill by bill. Then always he will ask you the option that against which invoice you are receiving the payment. So here students, once you entering, say you entered and you keep on entering, it will bring you here for further details. Say instrument number, check number, what was the check date, in which bank, what was the bank name for the check. Says you have the account in Emirates NBD, you are receiving the check for First Abu Dhabi Bank. So here all the records you can have here, but it's optional. Here also you can put the details, say check number 123 received from customer. Like it can be helpful for you in the future when you are looking the entries. It can be helpful for you to trace out the entries. So like that you can put the information. Control A students, you have to use to save the entry. Now you have passed the entry. Now the question come how to trace out these entry students. Here I am adding the information for you. You want to take a look the entries which you are keep on passing. So here there are many shortcuts through that you can trace out your entries. One of the way, go to display, go to accounts book. Say I press button display, I went to accounts books, I went to ledger. I can open the ledger of that particular client, and here also I can trace out the entry. See, this is the receipt. This is one of the way. Correct. Another way, I can open the ledger of bank. I can trace the entry there as well. One more thing I will tell you, students. There you can have the list of all the vouchers. You will press display. You will press statement of account. Say come to display. Come to statement of account. Then come to statistics. Here you will have the list for all the vouchers which you created till now. Like in this company till now, I just created one sale invoice and one sales receipt. So once you click on this one, you will have the list, monthly list you can follow for this one. Correct? These are the shortcut ways to trace out the entries, because it's very important for us to know that where we can trace out the entries. In coming video, students, we will guide you about the impact of entries as well.